What are you cooking, baby?
No, don't film
What are you
me,
cooking?
don't film me.
What are you cooking?
Don't film me.
What are you cooking, baby? What are you cooking, baby?
Lunch.
Talk us through it.
It's a soup.
Talk us through it. What's in there? Tell me about it.
There's water, veg, and spices.
Okay. And we're getting to use the little hand blender thing, which I love.
Garlic, lemon, and ginger.
Whoosh. No chili.
No, I'll be fresh.
Whoa. I'm sniffing that. Mmm. So much fun! What else is going in there now? Oh yeah. Chili powder because we've run out of fresh chilies, unfortunately.
Yeah.
No bits in it?
No.
Oh. We're gonna have more fun then.
Less.
Quite a lot on there.
Okay.
It's been a bit of a slow day so far, I'll be honest. I've even said good morning, have I? It's not even morning, it's like 12 o'clock. But I need to go to the river again, get more water from the river, have some showers. Then I'm gonna decide about, and then I'm gonna decide what this video is gonna be about today. I'm just gonna make some steps down to the river because well, it's getting a bit dodgy, a bit slippy, and I like making steps. What is on your face?
Rice, milk, and yeast.
Rice, milk and yeast. Why?
To make me beautiful.
You don't need rice, milk and yeast to make you beautiful, baby! So, it somehow got to 9 o'clock. Yeah. We had showers and then I got on my MacBook, started doing a bit of work, and then before you know it, it's 9 o'clock. Which means the day is over and all we've got left to do is I need to go and empty the water out of the water heater because it's going to freeze tonight and it's going to be freezing for a few days as well. Then it's a case of film, chill in bed. We're going up the mountain in the morning to one of the bars here. Marcela's got an interview up there for another job. What are you cooking now?
Dog food for tomorrow.
What is it?
Dog food.
Yeah, but what is it?
Rice, pasta, and carrots because I didn't do a shopping for them. And peas.
What would they have if you had the shopping for them?
I'd have frozen spinach for them and celery and eggs.
Sen? Sen? Hablas. Whoa!
No.
Susto, Sen! Susto! 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 The dogs get the olive oil and we get the veg oil.
We don't get any oil.
Oh. Not this month.
Not next. From this one onwards. Since.
Sen, cheeky. Yo, cheeky, aquí. Siéntate. Buena chica. Should we go and dump the water out of the water heater now? So get all the water out of the system this end. And then we empty this water heater, which unfortunately is underneath all this stuff. 8-litre water bottles are very handy. So it should be. I can see it dripping out there. Water system all winterized, and now we're just going to head out for the dog walk. Espera. We're waiting for Mum. Yep. Wait. Oh. What is it? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.